Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we'll be unboxing this month's BoxyCharm. As you beautiful people know, this is about the products and not the people behind them. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. And for those of us who might be a little bit unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription service where each month you get over $100 worth of full-sized luxury beauty items, and honey, these bitches do not fuck around. We've gotten some good ass shit from these boxes, from top brands like Ofra, Tarte, MAC, like literally you name it, it's been in here. I personally am very grateful for this box because in the beginning of my channel, it allowed me to test products that I would never be able to afford. And just like everything on this channel, anytime I get anything for free, I will always let you know, and BoxyCharm does provide the service to me at no charge to review for you, but does that mean I'm a sugarcoat a damn thing? Fuck no. If I like it, I'll tell you. If I hate it, I'll let you know. And if at any point you decide, hey, I kind of fucking love that box, and you yourself would like to become a BoxyCharmer, BoxyCharm was kind enough to provide a link down below for you to use, but please do not feel obligated to go through me. It's there if you want it, I'm just saying. But I am very excited about this month's box. I actually did see a few spoilers, which I never do, but because I'm a little bit late to the game this month, I saw a few on Instagram. And BoxyCharm does like to send out little gifties to its influencers, which will in no way alter whether or not I actually like this month, but they sent me two little things. This one, which is the first spoiler that I got, is from Ace Beauty. It says, we are so excited to announce the new Ace Beauty Grandiose palette, which will be featured in November's BoxyCharm box. But look at how freaking cute this is. They sent the palette, and then they also sent essential oil roll-ons. That is some clever shit. We have primrose, rose, patchouli, cinnamon, clove, and jasmine. Let me put on some patchouli so I can smell like a hipster. But I'm gonna keep this palette in here because I'm pretty sure it's the same thing as what we get in the actual box. And then BoxyCharm was very sweet and reached out to me and asked if I wanted to film a video for Instagram using cover effects, and I was like, maybe, I don't know if I'll have time. I didn't have time. But they were very, very generous, so I do just want to show you what they included in that. I don't know if that means there's gonna be cover effects in the actual box, but they sent me this beautiful palette. God, that packaging is fucking amazing. It's like metal and shit. Damn. Ooh, shit. I love that stamp. Fuck, I don't even want to touch that. It's so nice looking. Thank you, BoxyCharm. But did you think I was done? Fuck no. They also sent 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmering veils and then a glitter drops. And this little case that it came in turns into a purse. Like, that is so freaking cute. That is so extremely generous. I'm always super grateful for anytime anybody sends me anything, so thank you. But let's get down to business and open this little bitch up, shall we? Like I said, I did see a few spoilers, but I want to keep as much as I can a secret because it literally gets my rocks off. So let's take out the little card and see what this month's theme is. And we have Gold Digger. Oh, very punny. And they are advertising on the back a thing called Boxy Luxe, which is a little bit more expensive, but I think you get $300 worth of stuff in there. I will have to write them and ask if maybe that's something I could do because I do get a lot of comments asking about this. But let's go ahead and set the card right up there and dig into our first product. And what do we have first? Is it anal beads? No, it's not, but it's a close second. These are Luxy little tiny itty bitty baby brushes. Like, wow, those are tiny. Let me just feel these little hookers. Also, I'm not gonna lie, literally every time we get brushes, they are really good quality, but the price is always outrageous. Like, these are probably like $75. And they are always really good brushes, but anymore, I've just given up on being shocked by the prices of these. But they are really soft, and I've actually never ever seen brushes quite like this before. Like, I'm not quite sure what I'm supposed to do with that. Maybe a smudger? I don't know, but here's a little fluffy blending brush. Truthfully, I can never have enough small fluffy brushes, so this is something that I'm actually a little bit wet about. And these 4 little tiny brushes are $21, which isn't even that bad. Shit, we're gonna have to pull out the glasses again. One moment. Look who wants to come read with me. Oh, you're so tired. I dragged his ass right out of bed. Oh, baby, I love you so freaking much. All right, let's read this, shall we? All right, the card says, add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition BoxyCharm collaboration. The Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for BoxyCharm. Did you fall asleep, Ron? The Luxy 141 mini round brush is perfect for smudging and smoking out your lower lash line, while the Luxy 121, is that this? No, that's not it either. There we go, the Luxy 121 mini tapered lets you effortlessly blend your crease color. The 111 mini flat angled brush lets you blend out harsh lines and pack on cream products for your lid. And the 131 mini angled can add a pop of color to your brow bone and precisely place any color you want onto your crease. Oh, you're over this bullshit. You want to go back to bed, don't you? Lullaby and sleep tight. Alright, say goodbye, baby. Next up, what do we have? Is it finally a Tubaloo BoxyCharm? You could really expand your audience if you included that. No, it is a Cover FX glitter drops. Yes? Yes. Alright, let's open this up and see what they look like. I do think I own some Cover FX glitter drops. Either this or their shimmering veil, but oh my god, those are fucking beautiful. What do you do with them though? Oh shit. Oh. Oh. Makeup porn, ready? Oh, fuck me. That is literally too bright for my camera to even handle. What the fuck? Wow, that's pretty. Oh, what do I do with this though? Do I like mix it into foundation? Oh, damn, there's like holographic glitter in there, and I don't mean like the fake holograph, I mean like actual hollow, which of course you can't even see. Wow. God, what am I supposed to do with this? It's like I fingered a Keebler elf. Okay, well this shit lasts a long ass time. I just scrubbed my hands with soap and water and it is still there. All right, our little thingy says these Cover Effects glitter drops in the shade Nova retail for $44. Wow, that's a lot of money. But honestly, seeing how little I just put on my hand and how far that went, these would last you for fucking ever. But this says these ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your favorite foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. I feel like these would kind of be orgasmic in like a lotion, like especially during the summer. Holy shit, on the beach, like your skin would just look like a bowl of fucking butter. I really like this. I'm kind of curious to see what other color they sent me in this little thing. Oh, it looks like they sent the exact same thing, so maybe we'll have to do a giveaway. Anywho, next up we have a pencil. Oh yeah, it actually is a pencil. This is the Jaune Bleu Glittering Star Eyeliner. I'm pretty sure we've gotten eyeliner from them in the past, and it was actually really kind of difficult to put on the eyes. Like, it was pigmented, but it was just too hard to actually swipe on the lid. God, and they put the military grade plastic on here that could keep Satan himself out. But, oh my god. Oh, come. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh my god. I swear I am not being dramatic. What the fuck? Oh, jeez. Ooh, that's actually really pretty though. It does have little glitter flecks. Let's pop that bitch right there. Oh, fuck. I pressed way too hard. Let's gently press that bitch right there. Oh, that's actually really pretty. She does indeed have big ass glitter flecks in there, and it kind of looks like the kind of glitter that's not gonna fall all over the place, so I'm excited to do a wear time test with this. Very nice, and our little card says this Jaune Bleu, Jaune de Bleu, I have no idea. This glittering star eyeliner retails for $5. That's pretty damn good. Sparkle up your glam with this glittering star eyeliner. This specially formulated black glitter eyeliner pencil glides on smoothly, leaving behind a long-lasting and subtle shimmer you'll completely adore. I actually really like that. Hopefully it actually is long-lasting, but next up we have... Oh my god, get out of there, you little bitch. Is it bug spray? No. It is Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleanser. Shit, I don't think we've ever gotten anything like that. Oh, it does not smell good. I don't know why I thought it would smell good. It definitely smells like a cleaner. Let's see, this Bodyography Makeup Brush Cleanser retails for $12. That's not that bad. Made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers, this cleansing spray easily disinfects and conditions your brushes. Very nice. I'm gonna have to do some cleaning after this. Anywho, I believe we have one product left, and if I'm not mistaken, it's probably that Ace Beauty palette, which, yes, it is Ace Beauty Grandiose Palette. Wait a fucking second. In their ingredients, they actually have jasmine, rose, primrose, clove, cinnamon, patchouli, like all the little oils that they sent me. Hold the fuck up. It doesn't smell like it though. Well, that is interesting. I am fucking intrigued. But you know what? Since I do have an extra palette and an extra cover effects, why don't we do a giveaway? So make sure you stick around until the end and I'll talk about it then. But here we have the palette. It is actually very, very pretty, and it's very fall-like. Wait, no, no, I take it back. These products do not contain things like jasmine, rose, and primrose. Those are the names of these shadows. Wow, I feel like a fucking idiot. Anyways, let's keep looking at these, shall we? So we have jasmine, clove, myrtle, cinnamon, patchouli, rose, poppy, and primrose, and these all are very, very pretty and like just in time for the holidays. Like, I could totally see myself walking into a holiday party, being extra as I am, you know, in like a floor-length fur coat, and rocking the fuck out of like this color mixed with these two. Like, oh my god. Let's go ahead and feel some of these. Let's do jasmine. Ooh, that's really nice. Maybe some clove. Ooh, very nice as well. A little poppy. And I really want to feel primrose. Wow, those actually feel really fucking nice. Ooh, fucking hell. I'm actually impressed. It's not like I thought they wouldn't be great, but they're definitely better than I thought they'd be. Well, I am very fucking excited to go ahead and do a look and use all this, so let's go ahead and glam up, shall we? I feel like I'm always seeing on Instagram people putting this underneath their foundation and then putting their foundation over it, and it looks amazing, like a nice glow from within pregnant look. And I'm pretty sure we've tried that on this channel and I ended up looking like the fucking Tin Man, but why don't we go ahead and try it again? So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 drops maybe? And I do already have some Smashbox primer on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, that is making every fucking pore, wrinkle, and scar stand out like shit. Wow. And not gonna lie, it looks like I dunked my face in a vat of craft glitter, so obviously we're going in with a few more drops. Honey. Yes, bitch. If the reflection off of my face isn't blinding someone when a camera flash hits me, then this bitch is not happy. Oh my goodness. Oh. I look like a fucking disco ball. Do you see that glitter action right there? God damn. Okay, well, I just went in my bathroom to moisten my sponge, and after looking at myself, I can already tell you this was not a good idea. Probably not the brightest moment in my YouTube career, but we will go over it with some CoverGirl Matte Made Foundation. Okay, do we see the sheen that Nady still has? This is a very, very matte foundation, and it is totally dried down. For concealer, I'm gonna try this LA Girl Pro in the shade Natural. And hopefully I've been faking it well, but I am still kind of really fucking sick. So I'm gonna go under my eyes with a teeny bit more concealer, and this time I'm taking some of Kylie's Bone. Makeup can do wonders, but when you don't sleep, you get sick, and when you get sick, you have to pile on extra concealer. And apparently concealer that is way too fucking light. Shit. And then to prime the eyes, I'm going in with my all-time favorite NYX's Shadow Base. And for the eye look, I kind of think I want to have some fun today and do like a black and red smoky eye. I have no idea what the fuck this will turn into, but let's start with this black pencil and just kind of smudge it all along the lid. And I'm only really taking it about halfway up the lid because I'm gonna start smoking it upwards. But I can tell you now, this is very, very creamy. Like, it went on super smoothly and it's not pulling at my lid. And then to start blending it out, I'm actually not gonna use any of these for now. I'm gonna use a bigger fluffy brush, and I'm gonna start by tapping the edges out and slowly working it up towards the crease. Just like that. Does that look like shit? I can't tell. And I'm going in and deepening that up even more. But this time I'm actually putting it all over my lid, but not going up the crease with it. My God, I look like a fucking madman. But let's take this little tiny fluffy brush and let's see, which color should we dip into? Let's go ahead and dip into Cinnamon. And with that, I'm gonna go all along the crease line and kind of mix it with that black that we laid down. Actually, that brush is a little bit too small for that, so I'm gonna take a little bit more on a bigger fluffy brush and gently go back and forth along the crease. I know I look like a fucking lunatic right now, but trust me, it will work out in the end. Next, I'm taking some of that gorgeous red poppy, and we're gonna take that all along the crease line as well. Once again, I know I look crazy, but it will work. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Myrtle on a flat brush and place it all along the lid. Oh my God, that definitely looks different than I thought it would. Okay, let's instead go in with this light shade Jasmine, and I'm placing that on the inner half of the eye, kind of going a little bit above the crease, not really cutting it, but kinda. Shit, that is a really pretty color, damn. For the lower lash, let's start by smoking out some Cinnamon, and I'm also gonna put some of that black liner on the waterline. Oh God, my eye is watering, fuck shit. Let's also take a little bit of that red poppy on the lower lash as well, and then just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna mix Jasmine with Rose, and place that right here on the inner corner as a highlight. All right, I did go ahead and add a wing, and then I also kind of cut the crease with this gold deck of Scarlet liner. Oh my God, my eye will not stop watering, so we're just gonna ignore the fact that there's no eyeliner in the inner corner. Fuck. All right, so all of my makeup is done, and I think for highlighter, we might try these drops. I'm a little bit scared, but let's go ahead and do bloop right there, and blend that out. Is it doing anything? Oh shit. It's like stuck like that. Fuck. Maybe I'm not exactly sure how to use these drops. Okay, we have one tiny little line of highlighter right there. Maybe if instead we put it on the little sponge? Oh, fuck, that may have been way too much. Oh, shit. Oh, God, and it's totally removing the makeup that was under there. Shit. Why is this happening? Okay, so it's safe to say this might not be an over-the-foundation kind of highlighter. See if we can fix this with some bronzer. Oh, maybe there we go, fuck. Ooh, actually, you know what? When bronzer does go over it, that shit is poppin'. It just totally removes everything that's underneath it. And here we are with the final look. For lips, I ended up going in with Lorax, Deep Burgundy, and then in the middle, a bit of Urban Decay Comeback. I actually do really like the way this turned out. Oh my God, it would look so much better with hair. I will say though, underneath my foundation, I can still see glitter fucking everywhere. Overall though, I really like everything. Like, that eyeliner was super creamy. The eyeshadows blended out amazingly. They were all really, really pigmented. The brushes seemed to work pretty good, like they weren't scratchy or anything. And I especially like these to blend out the lower lash. The drops, I like them depending on how we use them. Like I said, underneath the foundation, not for me. As a highlighter, I actually think it's great as a base. I mean, you could totally go balls to the wall with your highlighter and add even more on top of this, but I ain't about to send messages into space, so I think this is good. The brush cleaner we didn't really get a chance to use. I probably won't even use this till tomorrow or the next day, but overall, I really like this box. If we were to total up everything that we got in today's box, it would be over 105 bucks, which I mean, that shit ain't bad. But what do you think? I think this is a nice, like, fall, wintry glam. Other than that inner corner, daddy likes. God, it's getting even worse. Fucking hell. Anyways, there you have it. Like I said before, if you yourself would like to become a BoxyCharmer, please feel free to use the link down below, but don't feel obligated to go through me. For the giveaway, normally I wouldn't give BoxyCharm items away, but this BoxyCharm month is over, which means nobody will be getting these in their future boxes. The only requirement is that you are subscribed to this channel, and please stay subscribed. I love having you. There will be things that aren't required, like some things with Twitter and Facebook, and then if you are a subscriber to my BoxyCharm, then that will definitely get you more points, which ultimately leads to a better chance of you winning. Of course, make sure that you're over 18 or have your parents' consent. This is a worldwide giveaway. Good luck to everyone. But there you go. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepoplex.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at OfficialNady, and you can follow me online at thepoplex.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye.